Looking for a quick upgrade for your Bronco? The Roush R Series cold air intake system is just that, a quick upgrade that is easy to install. The kit itself includes a larger capacity filter, a pre-filter, and a see-through lid to make it easy to monitor your filter condition. Now the first thing we need to do is grab an 8mm socket and pull the 4 bolts holding the OE filter lid in place and remove the lid. Now inside you can see the old stock style filter. To remove it, just pull back and up. Now it's been a dry and dusty summer around here, so this filter is dirty. And if your airbox is dirty like ours was, well, now is the time to wipe it out. Comparing the old OE filter with the new Roush filter, you can see how much larger the new filter is. Roush is claiming 30% more filtration area over stock. Install the pre-filter over the top of the Roush red dry filter. Now this pre-filter is designed to repel water and block large debris. It's going to help that dry filter stay cleaner longer, allowing optimal airflow. Now it's time to install that new Roush filter into the factory filter box. Line it up, push it in place, and it's ready for the lid. Install the rubber seal into the new Roush airbox lid. You're going to push it down into the seal groove and then trim it to length. The new airbox lid is made from a durable injection molded plastic and it's designed to be easy to clean. Slide the new airbox lid into the OE rubber snorkel inlet, set the lid down onto the OE airbox, and reinstall the 4 screws. The final step is to peel the backing off the Roush nameplate and stick it in place on the new airbox lid. The thing that makes this a quick and easy upgrade is that this kit maintains the factory airbox mounting location and hardware. And with that, you are done and ready to take it out for a drive. And we've got them here at Northridge 4x4, and we can have one to your door in just a few days. All you have to do is click that link down in the description box for more information.